Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So as we all know that last week was pretty brutal for the equity market and it dropped around 2% in the entire week. So in the current situation, obviously we cannot invest in the equity index funds, okay, I mean the ETFs, because it is obviously in strong downtrend, and as a result of which most of the stocks will not be able to start a new uptrend because of this, because the entire market is down and less than 10 to 15 of the percent of the stocks will be able to give a breakout, and that will also be a weak breakout, not a strong one. So the question is, where should we invest during these down times? Well, there is one asset class which actually gave 6% positive return in the entire week, okay, in the last 5 trading days, okay, and that is gold. So in this video I will do the technical analysis which will help you to mark the proper entry points in gold, so that you can take advantage during this downtrend time and invest in the assets which are actually about to start a new uptrend, right? So let me get the video started, and don't forget to watch this video till the end so that you can utilize the knowledge that I will share in this video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is gold in monthly time frame, and let me just show you some key points here. First of all, let me mark first, this is the COVID crash here, and this was the low. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll try to measure how much it went up after the COVID crash. Okay, so it went up to a high of almost 47%, and then it closed around 38 to 39%, okay, in almost 5 months. After that it continued, it started a consolidation phase of almost more than 2 years, okay, more than 2 years it kept it started a consolidation and it was going sideways the entire time. But now recently in the past 3 months it was just preparing to give a breakout, and it has finally given a breakout above this line, that is 55,340. okay, and if I add some additional confirmation tools like 30 period moving average, so this is the 30 months moving average, you can clearly see how nicely it is using it as a support. As soon as it touched here, it gave this big green candle, and then again tried to break the high, but again there is consolidation, and again it acted as a support, and again one more big green candle. Okay, so let's measure how strong these candles are. So this is 6% in 1 month, this is 5% in 1 month. Okay, so these are two strong candles, and after that finally the breakout. Okay, and if you want to see a clear picture, then let me just go to the weekly time frame so that you can get to see something else. So you can see the 30 period moving average is also providing support in the weekly time frame, and this level, this line that I have drawn, has already been retested. Okay, so the candles kept going up here, then there is one big inverted hammer, okay, because this level was rejected, this resistance rejected the price, and then it came back to this level 55,340, and then suddenly bounced up, and this is last week's candle. Okay, this big green candle. So what we'll do is check how strong it is. It is 5%, 5.15%, and let's check the volume as well. So the volume is also high here. So you can see during this entire phase the volume was lower than the 30 period moving average. It was below this red line, but here there is one big volume bar, okay, and this is this candle, almost like a doji, and this big green volume bar represent this candle. So this has started a strong uptrend, and the good news is that this level has been tested. So where was the perfect entry point? Well, it was right after this break, okay, somewhere around 56,000. Now after that it has gone up almost 5%. So what we'll do is we'll go deeper, even further into the daily time frame, okay, and see the price action. So you can clearly see how strong the candles are, and you can see when I enable the volume how big the volume bars are during this entire phase. So these are valid breakout candles, not a fake one. And let me just add some additional tools, like if I draw one resistance near resistance line here, you can see that it has been clearly broken by a big green candle and then again a big gap. Okay, so this is clearly a valid breakout. And there is one more tool we can add using this trend line. So if I use this trend line, you can see it has been broken by this candle. So all the analysis clearly tells us that gold has started a new uptrend, and this is the right time to make an entry. So a premium of around 3%, 4% or 5% won't matter, because as we all know that gold is an asset which needs to be invested for the long term. Okay, it is not a trading tool that you will trade for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. You can, and you will also make returns in futures and options, but people who want to actually invest in digital gold instead of buying physical gold because they think that digital gold is safe, for them this is an investment opportunity. You can accumulate some units and hold it for the long term, 5 years, 10 years, even 20 or maybe 25 as well. So you will get very good returns. And gold is a precious asset, and during the downtime of the equity market, gold always starts an uptrend. This has been observed most of the times. Okay, and currently all the evidence clearly tells us that the history has repeated itself, and again the same thing is happening. Equity market is actually weak and going down, strongly going down, whereas gold is strongly going up. And the price action that I just showed you, the big green candles, back to back green candles, does not take place very often in gold, because it is a slow moving asset, but it has happened right now. So that's why none of you should miss this opportunity of investment, no matter if you are an intraday trader, swing trader, positional trader, or investor in the just purely in stocks or mutual fund. Do not miss this opportunity, because it is kind of a rare opportunity. So invest in gold, buy some ETFs like gold bees or anything of your choice, and take full advantages of this price movement. Okay, now let me do a little bit of more analysis. So now what I will do is use some long term moving average. Let's say I will add the 150 period moving average, because there is no need of RSI, because it is already clear that it is going up. So I will add 150 period moving average, and as soon as I add the 150 period moving average in daily time frame, you can see the bounce from that level. Okay, it was going like this and almost touching the 150 period moving average. It directly jumped up, back to back green candles in daily time frame, and these are big green candles, strong candles, which is rarely seen in assets like gold, because it is a slow moving asset. So do not miss an opportunity and make entries here. So there is a chance that it could slightly take a downtrend up to the year 57,000 or 57,600, but that is okay. It is mainly for the long term, and you will definitely make a lot of returns, 200, 300, 400% if you hold it for 10 to 15 years, definitely. So 2 to 3% is not a big deal. So that's all for this video. I hope this was helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse for more such informative videos, and I will definitely post one more update about gold whenever I see another entry point. Okay, and do not forget to check out the other videos in my playlist. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.